Did you know that the power to heal nerve damage could be right in your kitchen? That's right. There are everyday foods that might just help restore the health of your nerves and get you feeling better faster. From the ancient remedy that fights inflammation to the powerhouse nutrient-packed ingredients that support nerve growth, these foods are more than just delicious. They're your secret weapons in healing nerve damage naturally. Stay tuned, because in this video, we're going to reveal 11 foods that can miraculously heal nerve damage. You won't believe what's on the list. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric, the bright yellow spice commonly used in curry, has long been valued in traditional medicine for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has been shown to offer multiple benefits for nerve health. A study published in the Journal of Neurochemistry in 2004 found that curcumin has neuroprotective effects and can reduce oxidative stress, a contributor to nerve damage. Another study in Pharmacological Research, 2021, demonstrated that curcumin can promote nerve regeneration by stimulating the growth of nerve cells. Curcumin can enhance the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports the survival of neurons. It can also reduce inflammation in the body, which is crucial for managing neuropathy caused by inflammatory diseases. Consuming turmeric as part of the diet or in supplement form may reduce pain and promote healing in people with nerve damage. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Fish and flax seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are vital for nerve health. These essential fats have been shown to reduce inflammation, promote nerve cell repair, and improve overall neurological function. A study published in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience, 2022, found that omega-3 fatty acids can aid in the regeneration of damaged nerve cells and reduce the symptoms of peripheral neuropathy. Omega-3s also have the ability to reduce inflammation, which is a major factor in nerve degeneration. Flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts are plant-based sources of omega-3s, especially alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which the body can convert into the longer-chain omega-3s EPA and DHA. Omega-3s help repair and regenerate damaged nerves by promoting cell membrane integrity and supporting the healing of damaged myelin, the protective sheath surrounding nerves. They also reduce oxidative stress, which is often elevated in those with nerve damage. 3. Vitamin B12, found in animal products and fortified foods. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is essential for the health of the nervous system. It is critical for the synthesis of myelin and the regeneration of damaged nerve tissue. A study published in Neurochemistry International, 2021, showed that a deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to nerve degeneration and neurological symptoms such as numbness, tingling, and cognitive dysfunction. Supplementing with vitamin B12 has been shown to improve these symptoms in individuals with neuropathy. B12 is involved in the production of myelin, the fatty substance that insulates nerve fibers and aids in the rapid transmission of electrical signals. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can result in nerve damage, but correcting this deficiency can help promote nerve repair and reduce pain. Animal products such as fish, meat, eggs, and dairy are rich sources of vitamin B12. For vegetarians and vegans, fortified plant-based foods like nutritional yeast, fortified cereals, and plant-based milk can provide vitamin B12. For magnesium, found in leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, magnesium plays a critical role in nerve function by regulating neurotransmitter release and maintaining nerve cell excitability. It also helps reduce inflammation, which can contribute to nerve damage. A study published in the Journal of Neuroscience, 2020, demonstrated that magnesium could protect against nerve cell death by blocking excessive calcium influx into cells. This helps preserve nerve function and prevent further damage. Magnesium can help reduce nerve pain and inflammation. It supports the repair of damaged nerve tissue and reduces the hyperexcitability of nerves, which can lead to the pain and spasms commonly associated with nerve damage. Good dietary sources of magnesium include leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, almonds, pumpkin seeds, and avocado. 5. Alpha-lipoic acid, found in spinach, broccoli, and potatoes. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, is an antioxidant that is produced naturally in the body, but it can also be obtained from certain foods. It has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help protect and repair nerves. A study published in Diabetes Care, 2019, showed that alpha-lipoic acid supplementation reduced symptoms of peripheral neuropathy in people with diabetes. ALA has been shown to improve nerve function, reduce oxidative stress, and increase blood flow to nerves, promoting healing. ALA helps neutralize free radicals that damage nerves and blood vessels, and it improves the bioavailability of antioxidants in nerve tissues. Additionally, ALA has been found to increase the production of nerve growth factors that support nerve regeneration. Food sources of alpha-lipoic acid include spinach, broccoli, potatoes, tomatoes, and yeast. 6. Ginger. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger is a root that is commonly used as a spice and in traditional medicine for its ability to reduce inflammation and pain. The bioactive compounds in ginger, particularly gingerol, are believed to have neuroprotective effects. A study in Phytotherapy Research, 2023, found that ginger extract can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two factors that contribute to nerve damage. The study also noted that ginger could provide relief from the pain associated with neuropathy. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce nerve inflammation, while its antioxidant compounds protect nerve cells from oxidative damage. Ginger may also improve circulation, which is crucial for nerve healing. You can incorporate ginger into your diet through fresh ginger tea, smoothies, or cooking. 7. Berries. Rich in antioxidants. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to nerve damage, so eating antioxidant-rich foods is vital for healing. A study in Free Radical Biology and Medicine, 2022, demonstrated that antioxidants in berries could protect the nervous system from oxidative stress and neurodegenerative diseases. They have been shown to improve cognitive function and reduce inflammation associated with nerve damage. Antioxidants in berries neutralize free radicals that damage nerve cells, reduce inflammation, and promote healing. Consuming a variety of berries regularly can help protect and repair nerve tissue. 8. Vitamin E, found in nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that is essential for nerve health. It protects nerve cells from oxidative damage, which is particularly important in the case of nerve damage. A study published in Neurology, 2017, found that vitamin E supplementation improved nerve function and reduced oxidative stress in people with neurological disorders. The study indicated that vitamin E might also reduce nerve damage in conditions such as diabetic neuropathy. Vitamin E's antioxidant properties protect nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals, thus preventing further degeneration. It also supports overall immune health and tissue repair. Nuts, seeds, such as sunflower seeds, and vegetable oils, like sunflower and wheat germ oil, are excellent sources of vitamin E. 9. Green tea, rich in catechins. Green tea is rich in polyphenol, particularly catechins, which are powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect nerve cells. A study in Neurochemical Research, 2022, found that the catechins in green tea have neuroprotective effects, potentially preventing or reversing nerve damage. The study highlighted green tea's role in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which contribute to nerve injury. The antioxidants in green tea can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which play a significant role in nerve damage. Drinking green tea regularly may help slow down the progression of nerve degeneration. 10. Coconut oil, contains medium-chain fatty acids. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain fatty acids, MCFAs, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. MCFAs can help improve nerve function by providing the body with a readily available energy source, supporting the regeneration of nerve cells. A study in Neurochemical Research, 2020, demonstrated that the consumption of MCFAs can improve the repair of damaged nerves and reduce inflammation. MCFAs are absorbed quickly by the liver and provide a quick source of energy that can support nerve regeneration. Coconut oil's MCFAs help reduce inflammation and provide the body with the necessary fats for nerve cell regeneration. The oil is also beneficial for overall brain and cognitive health. 11. Garlic, supports circulation and reduces inflammation. Garlic contains sulfur compounds, such as allicin, which have strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to promote healing and improve circulation. A study in Frontiers in Pharmacology, 2019, found that garlic's antioxidant properties could help protect against nerve damage by reducing oxidative stress. Garlic is also known to improve circulation, which is essential for delivering nutrients to damaged nerve tissues. Garlic improves blood flow, which is essential for nerve repair, while its anti-inflammatory compounds help reduce the inflammation that often accompanies nerve damage. Garlic is also thought to support immune health, aiding in recovery from nerve injury.